Hi everybody, this is Bald Nick with Roxor Parts Direct. Today our product showcase is a 4-bolt front heavy-duty D-ring mount. This bolts up to a Roxor bumper. For the stock bumper, you would be able to put 2 bolts in and then mark these 2 holes, which you'd then have to drill out that factory bumper to access the frame mounts on the back side of it. We also have a fabricated bumper that comes standard with all 4 holes, so you don't have to do any drilling. But that mount, what a lot of people are doing with it is they'll mount a shackle. We have a 1-inch hole that will accept our 7/8 inch pin that's on the shackles that we sell on Roxor Parts Direct. Shoot over to the site and check us out. Have a good one.